We often talk about the planes of the face when discussing portrait painting, but what are the planes of the face and why do they matter? In short, the planes of the face are the different surfaces that make up a person's face. These surfaces can be flat, like the forehead, or curved, like the cheekbones. Creating the illusion of depth and space on a flat canvas can be achieved by painting different planes with the right shadows, midtones, and highlights. So for instance, when painting a nose, it can be helpful to think about the different planes that make up the nose. Each plane will catch the light differently based on its angle in relation to the light source. In general, there are three main types of planes of the face: the large planes, small planes, and transitional planes. Large planes. The forehead, cheeks, and chin are all examples of large planes. Small planes. The nose, mouth, and eyes are all examples of small planes. Transitional planes. The areas between the different large and small planes are called transitional planes, and these are typically more curved in shape than other planes. When painting a portrait, it's important to keep in mind that the planes of the face will affect how light interacts with the different parts of the face. For instance, if you want to create a highlight on the cheek, you're going to need to take into account the curve of the transitional plane between the cheek and the rest of the face. And the same is true for shadows. Understanding the planes of the face can be a helpful tool for understanding how to create the illusion of three-dimensional space on a two-dimensional canvas. However, it's important to remember that the planes of the face are constantly changing as a person moves in relation to its light source. The challenge is to find the right balance between making the planes of the face too pronounced or too subtle. So, experiment and practice until you find the right look that you're going for.